Have you ever had morning drop-off duty? When the kids are coming in from the bus or coming out of the cars with their parents. And some of those kids, I'll tell you, they get off the bus and they look like, "Oh, okay, I'm exhausted already." Or they're getting out of the car and the parent has got, 1 foot out in the door and 1 foot in. And they're like, "Come on, go, go, go. I got to get, over to the middle school, or I've got to get to work." And these kids are just like rode 100 miles an hour, and it's 7:30, 8:30 in the morning. Backpacks are hanging off their backs and they're in the line, they're running in and they get where they're supposed to be. And maybe you have a place in the morning where they're sitting in the gym, where they all gather before they go to classrooms or whatever that might be, or maybe they're out to recess before they go inside. But think about that. Just think about that. Observe morning drop-off and realize how incredibly exhausting that is. Okay, for us, for the parents, for the kids. Allow that time in the morning that when kids do eventually shuffle into their classrooms, that there's not a ditto sheet. I know, just dated myself there saying ditto sheet, didn't I? But there's not a worksheet sitting on the desk for them to do, that there's not an immediate let's get going, that it's not like right down to business. And I know that sometimes when you have a special first thing in the morning, that can be an issue because you've got to line them up and get them to the special. So then I always ask my specialist teacher with my art, music, PE, media, whatever it might be, to make sure they take the transition time. That simply means that you're going to take sometimes as much as 10 minutes in the morning to get those kids ready to do school. And I really do mean to do school. Allow the time to, hey, this is what we're going to do today. This is our schedule today. I know we do that during morning meeting, but whatever you can do, just please slow it down. Just watch morning drop off and imagine what it's been like for the past hour and a half since that child fell out of bed or woke up. All right. Really super important. Slow that morning down just a little bit.